Why must we go on hating? Why can't we live? He said, Kyle. 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 Peace train sounding like a glad on the peace train. Ooh, peace train. Someday it's over.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته دمان بداودياشنا Universal TV kusoo dhawaada waxaan la jooga walaalkeen maanta Zayn oo ah nin adduunka caanka ah oo la yaqaano oo wuxuu dhalashadiisa hore ka yimid wadankaasi South Africa sidoo kale Zayn anashida waa dadka ma aragtay ugu waaweyn. He's one of the big stars in Muslim world. And welcome to Universal TV, Zayn.
Jazakallah khair. Thank you for having me on the show.
What brings you here today?
Well, alhamdulillah, I've never attended Islam Expo, even though it's been going for so many years. And this year, I was really honored to be invited, and I accepted. And alhamdulillah, so far from what I've seen, everything that's happened, it's amazing, really amazing.
I know you're going to perform here tonight. And what are we expecting from you?
Well, I'm quite excited. I haven't been to the UK generally for about a year and a half. So I want to do some of my old songs. Mountains of Mecca, obviously, the famous one, Allah Knows. And maybe some new stuff as well. I'm very excited to, I'll be inshallah doing a cover song of my teacher, my mentor, Yusuf Islam. He sang a great song in the 70s called Peace Train. And I hope to do that inshallah tonight.
Somalian fans, what is the advice that you want to give to them?
Well, inshallah, just to say that, you know, we all live in this world for a very, very short time, and we're all human beings. And Allah has gifted us to be Muslim. And inshallah, we should try to make the best of the time given to us before we leave this world and be held accountable for what we've done here. Try to be good to our neighbors, good to people around us, make the world a better place, and inshallah show what Islam is really about.
And is there another exciting album coming out soon? Or
well, there's two very exciting projects I'm working on. One is redoing some of my old songs when I just started, so that's quite excited. And then also a lot of new songs up and coming. So inshallah over the next 12 months there'll be maybe two projects coming out which I'm really excited about. The Somali community in South Africa is very big, where I come from. So alhamdulillah, we work very closely with them back home, and I would love to do something with them, inshallah.
Thank you very much, Zayn, brother. Nice to meet you.
قلبي حيرة يا العشرة طويلة وحضن القدر يا مو أنا بديق الحيل عليا